Voice clear? Board fully visible? Voice clear and board fully visible? Charging is on. Okay, I start. See, yesterday class I have taken halfway through, around after half an hour, I did everything. I asked a question. 5 times I asked. There is a limit. I got annoyed and stopped the class suddenly. I decided not to continue this question. But still I thought, because if this much is done, so rescheduled once again. So at least be present in the class and answer. If you don't give reply, then there is no point in taking. I can take recorded class only. See, if reply is not there, I can take recorded class. Okay, start. Now, see, I already set the question. Yesterday question changed. I have taken round number question. I set it. So this is a question. See, read the question. This is your second example. Second example for SFD&BMD for combined footing. Last example. At the end of this example, I will compare the two examples and tell why two examples are required. Practically and also to understand. See, first, those who want to write the question, write the question. See, all these values are given for you. Now, how this value came, how this value came, how this variation came, and how you fixed that 1.8, how 1.45, that all comes in RCC class and ETAP class, not in strength of materials class. For strength of materials class, question is a beam of length 1.8, 2.25, a beam of length 6.25 meter. There is no space to write here. So remember, total length is 6.25. If I write here, it will take some space. So I won't write. You can add it. A beam of length 6.25 meter is subjected to two downward point loads of 1400 kilonewton and 1100 kilonewton, along with the anti-clockwise couple of 200 kN meter and clockwise couple of 125 kN meter, respectively, at those load points. These are column loads. This is a couple or moment transferred from column to footing. That's all. Now, on the beam, it is resting on a rigid surface, not flexible, rigid surface, where no deformation is considered. There is upward load in the form of UVL, represented by a trapezium, which has intensity of 413.44 kN per meter at left end, linearly decreases to 385.56 kN per meter at the right end. This is all RCC part. For you, this is a question. Draw SFD&BMD. That's all. Okay, start. Now, how this number came, will not come there. Anyway, remember, first as usual. See, somebody may question. There is no support reaction found. He has given downward loads and upward load with couples. What is the guarantee that this is in equilibrium? Those who come to my class, they should tell, he is the guarantee. That's all. He is the guarantee. How guaranteed? Study RCC, there you know it. It comes in RCC. Here he is given. Still, for understanding purpose, those who want, take your calculator. Start. Sigma V, 1400 down, 1100 down. Suppose you take minus plus 413.44 plus 385.56 divided by 2 into 6.25. Tell the answer. Minus, if you take sigma V 0, don't take 0. You don't take 0. You find sigma V, it has to come 0. You find sigma M, it has to come 0. Then only equilibrium. This I told you last time. Start. Sigma V, upward positive. Minus 1400, minus 1100, plus sum of these two divided by 2 into 6.25. Tell the answer fast. Answer. What is the answer? How much answer? Okay, there was a limit. Okay, I am not blaming you, but still I got fully annoyed. Why? There is a limit for everything. Tell the answer now. How much? Sigma V. How much sigma V? Okay, no problem. Sigma V, how much? You calculate first. This I wrote last time. Today I am not writing. Sigma V. See, you are not calculating. Minus 1400, minus 1100, plus sum of these two ordinates divided by 2 into 6.25. Why I am asking? Because I said the question. Suppose there is a mistake in the question, then equilibrium is not there. So I want to confirm it. How much? Sigma V. Minus 3.125. Ayoyo. How it is possible? 413.44 plus 385.56 divided by 2 into 6.25. Calculator is not on. 413.44 plus 385.56 divided by 2 into 6.25 is 2496. Oh, that means the value given is wrong. I will check once again. Okay. I will check once again. 1400 into 1.8 plus 1100, 1400 into 1.8 plus 1100 into 3 plus 1, 4.8 minus 200 plus 125 divided by 2500 is 3.09. 3.09 is the resultant. Half of 6.25 is minus 6.25 divided by 2 is 0.035 is the eccentricity. If that is the eccentricity, into 6 into 2500 divided by 6.25 square equal to 13.44. If it is 13.44, left side answer is 1400 plus 1100 divided by 6.25 plus 13.44 is 413.44. Right side answer, that is 2500 by 6.25 minus 13.44. 386. Oh, print mistake. It is 386. See, kalla sikakonda. 386. That correct madidiri. See, what happens is, in the light, 5 and 6 sometimes look same. It looked to me in the angle 385. I actually 386. Okay, now check the answer. So question change now. Intensity is 413.44 to 386.66. Now, sum of these two divided by 2 into 6.25 is upward minus 1400 minus 1100. Now tell the answer. Answer. Net vertical load. If it comes 0, then sigma V 0 is guaranteed. See, without equilibrium you cannot go for SFD&BMD. How do you answer? Answer no. Is it coming 0 now? There is a print mistake there. 0. Okay. Now, take moment about this point. If you take moment about this point, moment of this load is anti-clockwise. See, it is minus how much? 413.44 plus 386.56 divided by 2 into 6.25 is the load multiplied by CG of this load system from here is 413.44 plus twice of 386.56 divided by 413.44 plus 386.56 into 6.25 divided by 3. This will give you anti-clockwise. Tell this answer. Moment of this upward load about this point. You tell this answer fast. Then you will check equilibrium. If equilibrium is not there, we cannot go for SFD&BMD. Now tell this answer. This answer required. Correctly calculate this number. You better do this side, this one first. Better do this one first. Then go there. Sigma is 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ. Take sigma m. Now you can check whether equilibrium is there or not there. Actually, based on equilibrium only, I have given the pressure. How much answer? ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You don't bother. ಅದೇನೋ X bar ante, he told something. That's all not required. That comes in RCC part. You tell what is this number. Tell what is moment. ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. (7,725). This is minus 7,725. Now tell me what is the moment of the downward thing, those things about this point. It is 1,400 into 1.8 is clockwise, plus 1,100 into 3 plus 1.8 is 4.8, then minus 200 also plus 125. See, last time I gave clockwise here, anti-clockwise here. I changed it here. Last time that offset more. This time this offset more. Answer, this answer. How much? It is 7,725 plus. Therefore, net value. This moment anti-clockwise, that is clockwise, 7,725 minus 7,725 plus means 0. Therefore, now nobody in the world can tell equilibrium is not maintained. If somebody will ask, take moment about D and check the answer. I will tell him, you don't know structure engineering. If moment about A is confirmed and no. Now I will not tell further, because if I keep on telling this way, suddenly I will be telling the answer for that Brahmastra question. Which one? Sigma m about that and 0, this reaction comes. Sigma m about this and 0, that reaction comes. Where is sigma v? No, I should be careful. That is, now indirectly I have given a hint for you. Indirectly I have given a hint for you, that reason why sigma m, even though if you apply sigma m twice, second time applying sigma m 0 is unknowingly not for me, is nothing but sigma v 0 only. Sorry, further I will not tell now. If I tell, my answer will come from me. No. Then when I ask that question later, people will start answering. No, they should answer by thinking only, not by what I told. Okay, now this is clear. Start. Now remember, little changes. Now left side offset more, right side offset lesser. And one more thing, moment direction I reversed compared to last time, so that concept is clear. See, last time clockwise, anti-clockwise. This time anti-clockwise, clockwise, or sometimes both can be clockwise, sometimes both can be anti-clockwise. That all you can do it now. Okay, start now. Before you go to see, leave this space. This space is for SFD&BMD. Don't come here. Before you go to SFD&BMD, I already told you, there is problem. What is the problem? Problem is that what? Problem is that when you want SFDM anywhere, this upward UVL, if you want here, this much you require. If you want here, this much you require. If you want here, this much you require. If you want somewhere here, this much you require. To avoid that trouble, you what you do? You write only considering upward UVL. See, write a statement. I will not write everything now. You should write. Consider section XX at X from here. See, this is 413.44 kN per meter. This I should not tell. This is 386.56 kN per meter. So you take a section XX here. Then there let intensity equal to W suffix X. Now using linear interpolation, get W suffix X. W suffix X. Remember now it is decreasing. Difficulty is go to my mathematical class number 3. Complete interpolation I wiped out there. It is 413.44, same as last time. Last time I wrote plus, this time minus 413.44 minus 386.56 divided by 6.25 full length into X. This I already told you. Or if I simplify this one, this will become how much? 413.44. You write the answer here. Minus this number is how much? That number 413.44 minus 386.56 divided by 6.25 is 4.3008. It is 4.3008 times X. This much kilonewton per meter. Okay. This is all I told last time. Remove it now. Okay. Now do one thing. Therefore, only considering UVL, I want shear force here. Look this side. Actually, if you find shear force here, you have to consider UVL and downward load. Downward we will see later. I want to avoid the struggling of that, which one? UVL. So only due to UVL, I will consider here shear force at XX. At XX equal to this much load. How much it is? 413.44 plus WX is 413.44 minus 4.0008 times X. That number, this one plus this one, divided by 2 multiplied by X. Okay. Simplify. 413.44 plus 413.44 divided by 2 is 413.44 minus 4.3008 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2.1504. Correct? It will give you minus 2.150. Sorry. 413 point something into X is there. Into X. Then space is not there. Minus. It can be 2.1504. 2.1504 times X square. This all I told last time. This will tell you shear force variation is parabolic. Over. Now. And this I am removing now. Summary is there. I remove. Now. Also, at the XX, at that red XX, bending moment due to only this load is total load into this distance equal to. Now I will not explain why. 1000 times over already. BM equal to 413.44 plus 413.44 minus 4.3008 times X. Sum of the two parallel sides divided by 2 into X is the total load. This load into distance of CG from here equal to bracket 413.44 minus 4.3008x. This side plus this side. 413.44 into 2 times of that side. 2 times of this side divided by sum of these two sides. 413.44 minus 4.3008 x plus 413.44 into distance between them x divided by 3. Then I told you, see, this denominator and this numerator cancels. Now simplify this one, x by 2 into one number, again x by 2 into x square, 2 number will come. Now you simplify, because last time simplified. If you simplify, this all I am removing now. See, this all I am removing, nothing required now. Summary, this also not required, this also not required. Now remember, for the upward uval, if you take a section at xx, shear force over and bending moment at xx, only due to upward uval. Sorry, I told something. See, I told something for you. Shear force at xx, it is not shear force, that is equal to, I will call V dash x. Why? It is not the real shear force. Real shear force means you take other thing. At xx, that is m dash x. Why m dash x? It is only due to upward uval. M dash x equal to, simplify. I am not simplifying. I will use a trick actually. You don't use the trick, but I told the trick for you. It will come 206 point positive, sagging positive, left up, right down positive. 206.72 x square minus 0.7168 into x cube. This will tell the variation is cubic parabolic. This much I thoroughly explained last time. Tell fast. This much clear? Fast. This much clear? No, this much clear. Already told last time. You can refer last class for more and more steps. Okay. Now, I think you know how I got this answer without simplifying. Tell the trick. How I got this answer without simplifying. You know it. Tell what I had done. Yesterday, I asked that question. Someone correctly answered. I got that mx equation without simplifying. How? I used the principle. Any idea what principle? By integration. But remember that those things you should do only if you have solid grip. Half grip you should not do such things. Okay, now this will remain there for some time. Start. Now wherever you want shear force bending moment, if you want the answer due to upward uval, refer this expression. Over. Start. Now come back to original. Back to given beam. Back to given beam is not this one. With upward uval, downward load and two couples together. Start. Shear force calculation. I will do fast because already last time explained. Okay. Start. Shear force at C equal to 0 over 0. Then A point shear force you have to do twice. Why? I don't know. Start. Shear force at A, C only once. Just to left of A equal to C. Shear force somewhere here. Look this side. Now you have to look this side. Means no downward load is there. Only this much upward load. For this much upward load, it is nothing but what? Your plus V dash x. See there, it is plus V dash x. In the bracket, substitute x equal to how much? Tell me. This is where yesterday I stopped the class. I stopped the class here. 5 or 6 times I asked you. Substitute x equal to how much? Substitute x equal to how much? Someone told me. Substitute x equal to how much? Answer. Tell me. 1.8 someone told me. Someone told me 1.8 meter. Then I told substitute in that equation 1.8. Tell the answer. Waited, nearly 5-6 minutes waited. Then I had doubt whether some problem is there. I went to main camera. While going to main camera, by chance, I slipped over a wire and the system came down. But nothing to worry, I can put it back. I got fully angry then. It happens. System came down. In the same spirit, I closed the class. Got little angry actually. I asked you around 5-6 times. Nearly 10 minutes over. Then I wanted to check there. When I went there, see there's a charging barrier, a small room. I overstepped on that one and the tripod all came this side. Setting gone. Not a big issue. I can set it foot once again. But it happens sometimes. When something happens, I even told also, what is this? That plugs, that wires all came this side. Got terribly excited, terribly I got upset. Without seeing here and there, I closed the class, went downstairs and deleted whatever is uploaded. I deleted. See that this will not happen in future. See that this will not happen in future. See, this much I am struggling. Why? Plus 737.2247. Ayo, second decimal saakbidi. 737.22. Second decimal saaku. Plus 737.27 kilonewton. And shear force at A only, just to right of A, equal to, see, whatever shear force you got here, when you come to right of A, it is same UVL. So answer is plus 737.27 minus 1400. Answer. Minus 1400. I first actually thought I will go for a recorded video and upload today at exact 7:30. I thought in the morning, let me record this question and upload. Then lastly I decided, see, first of all, I don't get upset in the class. Yesterday, I was tired also yesterday. Even today also fully tired because this is the 4th class I am taking today. So, and very hot here. Then I decided, patience required. So then I decided, later I regretted. I should have waited for some time. Some problem may be there. But sometimes it happens. When there is no response comes and people don't come live. And if they come live, they keep quiet. They should participate. Into minus 662.77 77 Allah. Adenge 77. If it is 27, how this is 77? Sadhyane illa. Idyava calculator. When it is 737.27, it is 662. Adenge 77 Allah. It is 73. How you got that answer? How it is 77? See, if it is 737.22, oh, okay. It is 737.22. Okay. Print mistake. If it is 22, you should tell 78 kilonewton. Okay. Correct the answer? Okay. Now, very important. See, start. Then come to B. I write here. Come to B. Or I can write anywhere. At B also, shear force twice. Start. Shear force at B in the bracket just to left of B. Now one problem. You cannot use this value. Usually earlier what you do? Whatever just to right you got, from there till here, this much load. Oh, problem. Tell why? This much load, there is no formula. Our formula is for load from here to here. So even here also, look that side from beginning. It is equal to your plus V dash X. It is plus V dash X. Then substitute X equal to how much? Tell me. If I want shear force here, first for this much UVL, substitute X equal to substitute X equal to 4.8 meter, then minus 1400. This is later. Answer. substitute x equal to 4.8 meter in the v dash x equation, then minus 1400. So beg buddy, ಆದರೆ 10-15 minutes earlier you can stop the class. You can stop the class 10-15 minutes earlier only today. Why? Everything is over. ಬೇಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ you can stop also earlier. Plus ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 534.97. Okay. Plus 534.97 is the kilonewton, and shear force at B just to right of B equal to whatever you got just to left, that is plus 534.97 minus 1100. Answer minus 1100. ಎಷ್ಟಿದು? minus 565.03 kilonewton. Okay, over. Last D, come to D. Actually not required. Why? Shear force at D, if you look right side, is 0. Or if you are that much curious, shear force at B equal to plus V dash X for X equal to 6.25 minus 1400, also minus 1100. Without seeing here and there, 0. My guarantee, check the answer. My guarantee, 0. 0 came. Okay, now go for shearing force diagram. But before that, some statement you have to write. See, I will dictate C to A, UVL, A to B, UVL, B to D, UVL. Therefore, throughout shear force variation is what? Parabola of second degree. Why? Shear force second degree from C to A to B, and B to D. Therefore, now go back and draw the diagram. In the available space, draw it. Available space. Saku. See now. Here, see. Shear force 0 here. Just to left of A, it is plus 737.22. From here, see, shear force here to here. Now see, last time question, your UVL was this way. See now, last time question, UVL this way. Therefore, see, here 0, here to here. See, here intensity is last time lesser, more, intensity increases. So last time question, as you go this way, slope what? Last time question, when UVL was like this, as you go this way, slope will. Last time question, slope will. As from left to right if you go, last time question, slope will increase. That's why last time diagram was like this. Remember? See, here slope is there. How much slope? Small slope. As you go here, slope increases. But this time, as you go this way, intensity reduces. Therefore, slope should what? Slope should increase or decrease in this question. In this question, slope should. In our question, today's question, slope should decrease. So, curve is not this way, curve is this way. Clear now? And here maximum slope, here lesser slope. In the 413, lesser here. This way. Here more slope, here slope is there. As you go this way, slope will decrease. Kami. Clear now? Last time, see, last time question, it was this way. Now, it is this way. At least now, UVL, the trouble of whether SFD this way or SFD this way, by this time, those who are serious, fully clear, by this time. This used to be a permanent problem for so many people. They used to worry. Now, SFD variation, that parabola, fully clear now. By this time, if you go through all the previous classes, class number 120 today, clear. Okay, now, from just to left, it will come down to just to right. How much? Here. See, 737, only 600 and 662.78. Then from here to here, see, from here just to left of this point, shear force is plus 534.97. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 737, 534 somewhere here. Okay, 534.97. Now as you go this way, see, intensity reduces, so slope should reduce, not increase. See, if I put the curve this way, tell me, if I put the curve this way, as you go there, slope increases or decreases? Tell the answer. By chance, if I put the curve this way, as you go that way, slope increases or decreases? Observe money. If I put the curve this way, slope increases. No, that is wrong. Why? That was for last time question. That last time question correct this way. But today's question, it should be this way. Clear now? See, in the slope is this intensity, here slope is lesser. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಲಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬೈ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟದು? 565. ಓ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 565.03. ಅಗೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ. ನೋಡಿ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೀಚ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್, here more slope. This is plus minus plus minus. This is the shearing force diagram. All values are in kilonewton. Left up, right down, positive. ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. I will set it later, but I will not change the shape. I will maintain shape like this only. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ, ಓ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That you will see later. I will correct it. Okay, start. Now, write a note. Shear force diagram is over. You should write SFD over. Still not over. Nodi. Write note. Observe the SFD. Observe SFD. Is this question last time I asked 10 times. Today I will answer only once. You should write. Check whether SFD crosses the baseline at some points. Answer. Yes. Here, here and here. 3 points you can see SFD crossing baseline. Among those 3 points, are any points already known? Yes, yes. Okay. This is C, this is A, this is B, this is D. Yes, 2 points are known. Any unknown? Yes, yes. One unknown point is there. Name that point as E. E. Now, I want to locate it. So next, locate that point. ನೋಡಿ, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. Locate that point. How to locate that point? See, location of the point, location of point between curve A and B, where shear force equal to 0. Say at E. I will tell the point as pink color, E. At E, comma, at X from. Usually you take X from here. But today you cannot take X from there. Tell why? If you take X from here, in terms of X from here, you don't know shear force. So I told you, this equation V dash X is valid for any section X from C. Therefore, take X from C. Remember, X from C. Take at X from C. Why C? Last class, infinite times told. Tell yes or no? Last class, repeatedly told. If I want to use this equation, your X should be from C. Clear or not clear? X should be from C. Later you can find from here if you want. Originally X should be from C. Clear or not clear? You have to take X from C only. Clear? Okay, start. Shear force at E equal to, start. At X from here, shear force, oh illallo, this much, oh illide. It is your V dash X for X equal to X only. Here V dash x for x distance minus 1400 equal to 0 ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. therefore 413.44 times x minus 2.1504 times x square minus 1400 equal to 0. You can rewrite the equation as plus anyway solve this one, tell the value of x. It is a quadratic equation, it will give you two values of x. Tell the answer. I want both values of x. Answer 3.4480 one value plus 3.4480 meter one value. Second value is plus 188 point plus 188 point 8138 meter. 8138 meter. Now, since the point is between A and B at x from here 100%, your x should be more than 1.8 but less than how much? Tell me. A point here after A, x from here should be more than 1.8 and less than how much? Less than. That x should be more than 1.8 and less than 4.8 meter. Therefore, based on this condition, this is not applicable. Therefore, your x equal to what? 3.4480 meter. From where? From C. Go back and enter. Enter money. Illi. X equal to 3.448 meter. Or now, see, tell me how much distance from here to here. Tell the answer. From 3.448 subtract 1.8. Heady. Answer. How much distance from here then? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು, ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಹೋಯ್ತೀವಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 1.648 meter. 1.648 meter calculated value. Seeing answer. That is, it will come somewhere up to here. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಕರ್ವ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಇದು 662, ಅದು 500 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 413 to 386 difference is very small. It is almost like a UDL. Tell yes or no. See, from here to here 413 to 386, it is, if I slightly decrease here and decrease here, it will become UDL. If it is UDL, it will be what? It will be straight line. So slight tilting, not too much tilting. Straight A, almost straight A. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. In the beginning randomly I drawn, it is almost straight only. Clear now? See, if it is straight line, x will go slightly shifting. So this is the point E. If you want, you can get from here also. ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. From 3 subtract, get the distance. It is required for RCC. ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. In RCC, you require this distance also for extension of the bar. In RCC, you require this distance for extension of the bar. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಹೇಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟದು? ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು? RCCಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾರ್ 1.352. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, 1.352 ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Now, with this one, SFD is completely over. Now go for last part, BMD. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸಾರ್, ನಾವು BM ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. BM ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್, ಸ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. BM at C. ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್, 0. ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಅಥವಾ Substitute x equal to 0 here. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, 0 ಸಾಕು. Then come to A. At A, there is a couple there. Because of couple, write BM calculation twice. ಹೇಳಿ answer. BM at A just to left of A equal to, ನೋಡಿ O ಇಲ್ಲಿ, here. Look this side. Couple you cannot see. Is nothing but your m dash x plus m dash x plus m dash x for x equal to 1.8 meter. What is the answer? Bega. Answer. It is bending moment due to this much UVL. Nothing else. Answer. Substitute x equal to 1.8 meter there. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. 665.59 ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಈಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ 413 ನೋಡಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ. 413.44 into 1.8 into 1.8 by 2 is the bending moment. 413.44 into 1.8 into 1.8 by 2 is the bending moment if it is UDL. But little load is lesser there. So it should come little lesser than 669. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದವರು? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, 665 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 665 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಸಾಕು, 59 ಕಿಲೋ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಮೀಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ just to right of A equal to whatever BM you got just now there plus 665.59. Then see, last time it was this way plus, now it is this way. Tell the answer. When you see from here that 200 plus or minus, nodi ee kade nodta, last time it was this way, I wrote plus. This time it is this way, plus or minus. Thoroughly explained earlier classes for couples. Now I will not tell. Plus or minus sign ಬೇಕು. Shall I use plus sign or minus sign? No. From the previous value, what I will do? It is minus 200. Minus 200 equal to plus 465.59 kilonewton meter. Right. Then after that one, come to point B. B also there is a couple. So BM twice. Head answer. Bending moment at B just to left of B equal to somewhere here. Bending moment equal to, look that side. It is plus moment of this much upward UVL. That is your plus m dash x, substitute x equal to 4.8 meter. 8 meter. Agila. That is this BM minus 1400 into 3 and also minus 200. Answer. Substitute x equal to 4.8 here, then minus 1400 into 3 minus 200. Answer. Plus 283.55. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Plus 283.55 kilo Newton meter. And bending moment at B just to right of B equal to whatever you got just to left plus 283.55 from just to left come to just to right. Tell me, is it plus 125 or minus 125? Fast, Eddie. Very thoroughly explained. Somebody may ask, where means today is class number 120. See that one, class number 120. Go back to the queue, stand in the back of the queue and come, struggle. Don't directly come and enter the queue. Don't use influence here. Influence will not work out with me. Plus 125. Plus 125. ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ influence ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Answer. Artha, if you want to understand from beginning and see where I made mistake, show me one mistake. Except spelling mistake or calculation mistake, I never fumbled so far. Sorry. Plus minus. I never fumbled so far. Plus 408.55. Nodiga. 55 kilonewton meter. Now, I can check it because if I look right side, actually it is almost UDL, but slightly UVL. Suppose it is UDL, answer is 386.56 into 1.45 into 1.45 by 2 it came. But little more than UDL is there. So this time you should get BM slightly more. It gave 406. You told 408. A steady difference. See? Over. Now start. Lastly, D point. Don't waste time. BM at D equal to 0. If anybody is so curious, write the answer. It is V dash M dash X for X equal to 6.25 minus 1400 into this length minus 1100 into this length minus 200 plus 125. My guarantee it will be 0. Check ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ 0 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 0 ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಯಿತು ಈಗ ರೈಟ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾ BMD. But before that you write variation. C to A parabola, A to B parabola, B to D parabola, all third degree, sudden change at A, sudden change at B. Draw the baseline. Sorry. Incomplete. Forgot. Incomplete. Why? Sorry. I'll mark ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. See, so fast forgotten. Incomplete. Tell why incomplete. ಮರ್ತೋಯ್ತು. Forgotten. See, I will tell the answer now. ಈ X ಬೇಡ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Hey X, you go that side. You are troubling me. 3.448. ಅಗಡು 3.448. This X is X equal to 3.448 meter. Here you write whatever I wrote here. ಎಷ್ಟಂತೆ ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದವರು ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. 737.22 minus 1400. 662.78. Now, incomplete. Why incomplete? Tell me. Why incomplete? You got BM at C, BM at A, BM at B, BM at D. No. You also require BM at those points where shear force is either 0 or shear force diagram crosses baseline. One crossing point is A, already over. B also you already know, but one more point E is there. BM at E equal to, what you do? Somewhere here BM, look that side. It is plus M dash X for X equal to how much? Tell me. X from here. It is plus M dash X. X equal to how much? Last chance for you. ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. It is plus M dash X for X equal to. Plus M dash X for X equal to. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆ ಎಂಡಿಂದ X ಬೇಕು. It is the value of plus M dash X for X equal to. ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. It is 3.448 meter. 3.448 meter ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, minus 1400 into this distance ಎಷ್ಟದು into 1.648, still not over, minus 200. ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ tell the answer. See, last time this answer came negative. This time my guarantee it will come positive. If it comes negative, our today's class is completely wasted. Why? It is same as last time. If it comes negative, today's class is completely wasted. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸೆಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ಸ್ so that I want the second BMD. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 3.448 ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 3.448 ದೆನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1400 into 1.648 minus 200 minus 78.9 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂತ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂತ, ಇರೀ 18:30 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಇರಿ ನಾನು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 1.8 3 ಮೀಟ್ರ್, 1.3 ಅರ್ಧ 1.8 1.45 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಿದ್ದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಶೂರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಪುನಃ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತದು, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾನು. ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್. I should have given little more projection. ಇರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 206.72 into 3.4448 square minus 0.7168 into 3.448 cube equal to so much, minus 1400 into 1.648 ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 200. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಗ್ರಾಚಾರನೇ, minus 83.5 ಬಂತು ನನಗೆ. minus 83.5 ಬಂತು. ಅದೇ minus 83 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇರಿ 206.72 into 1.6 ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟದು 1.6 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟು 3.448 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 0.7168 ಇಂಟು 3.448 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ 1400 ಇಂಟು 1.648 minus 200, 78 point ಮೈನಸ್ಸೇ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಕ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೇಮ್. ಏನು ವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ 78 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಏನು ಗಾಬರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, 78.95 ಕೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್. ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ನೋಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ನೋಟ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ he wanted this BM to come positive. Then only the purpose of second question is served. Then only purpose of second question is served. No problem. So unknowingly this question is same as last time question. Of course you can tell changes here sir, instead of UVL increasing, UVL is decreasing. Okay, then last time anti-clockwise, last time clockwise anti-clockwise, this time anti-clockwise clockwise reversed. That is not the purpose. Purpose is something else. Therefore our class question 1 last time and today's class question 2 both will be grouped type 1. Clear? Both will be grouped as type 1. Clear or not? Both will be grouped as type 1. Clear now? No problem. Good for health. Both will be grouped as type 1. Okay? Nothing to worry. I will give a question today only. Set ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನೀಗ. Both will be grouped as type 1. Now draw the BMD. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು BMD? 665.59. ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 665.59. then suddenly changes to 465.59. here 283.55 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಬಡಿತೀನಿ, ಜಂಪ್ ಟು 408 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರ 408.55 and 0. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದು? ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 283.55. Okay, now C joined to left of C by a parabola of 30 degree. I mean, here answer is slight negative. Nodi, E point alli very minute negative. Last time it was heavy negative. Yes or no? Tell me. Last time it was heavy negative. Tell yes or no. Now that negative is slowly vanishing, but completely not cured. Medicine given. Last time it was heavily negative. Ega, I wanted to make it positive, but I should have checked it. I thought it will come positive. You see, you can make out minor difference. Okay, very small value. It is 78.95. Innu chikkudu nodi. 78.95. So C joined to just to left of A. Today I will be careful. It is 665.59 by parabola. Then just to left of, here slope should be 0. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 0. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟದು? 446. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, almost okay. Minus, plus and minus. Then just to left join to just to right, again joined by a parabola. This is the bending moment diagram. There are 2 points of counterflexure, O1, O2. This time you locate it. I told you last time, yes or no? Same question I told you last time. Therefore locate O1, O2. Locate O1, O2. You do it. How? Tell me answer. BM at anywhere between A and B is, see, BM anywhere between A and B at x from A, x from C equal to plus m dash x for x equal to x minus 1400 into x minus 1.8. Also minus 300 equal to 0. This will be a cubic equation. Solve the cubic equation. You get 3 values of x. Of the 3 values, 2 of them are applicable. Your x has to come more than 1.8 but has to come less than 4.8. In the 3 values, 2 of them will come in the range. Last one, skip it. You can do it. Last time done. You can do it now. Tell me. You can complete or not? You can complete now. No point in wasting time because I am disappointed. Actually, I take proper care. I don't know. Today I don't know. I got little overconfidence. I thought I will manage to get positive BM here. But it gave slight negative. It is like what? Some amount to be settled. I paid enough money. I thought now my bank balance is positive. But the manager told, sir, still 25 rupees you have to pay, sir. Ayyo, what to do? I thought it has gone to positive. But he told, sir, 25 rupees more required. Okay, done. Okay, done. Now, leave it now. This I will remove now. No problem. I will remove this one. I will give a question for you. Same way, UVL, I will take this way only. Why? Tell me. Because once important last time this way, this is an extra question. This is extra question. What to do? Everything okay. But what I wanted, narrowly I missed. This time I will not miss. Don't worry. This time I will not miss. Okay. I will give new question. You correctly solve and by tomorrow before the class you have to send the answer to me. If you send the answer to me tomorrow's class 10 minutes I will explain. I will do one thing now. I will not give couple this time. Couple beda. If couple is not there, see, BMD will come this way. No JTL. Couple beda bediga. Our concept important. Couple I am not giving this time. And or Shall I do one thing? Shall I give UDL? Tell me. Anyway, UVL cleared. You can solve very easily. I can give the answer right now. Shall I give UDL? Tell me. Shall I give UDL? Answer better. Shall I give UDL? So that our purpose is not UDL, UVL now. Our purpose is bending moment in the middle portion also positive. Then I will tell RCC important. Okay. I will give a question here. Now, take type 2 question. Type 2 question. Homework. But by tomorrow before the class, you have to send the solution to me, or I will give answer to you now. See, notice. There is a beam. Once upon a time, long back in the 18th century, there is a beam where there are 2 point loads. 2 downward point load. First point load is 2000 kilonewton. Second point load is 1500 kilonewton. And the total length of beam is 10 meter, where this distance from here to here is 4 meter. The gap here is 3.5 meter, and this gap is 2.5 meter. Saka? Oh, it is subjected to 2 loads and subjected to upward UDL. Oh, now this struggling is not required. Why? UDL you can do. Now UDL, oh sorry, I have to give a couple, no other way. I have to give a couple, there is no other way. 1 point I will give a couple. 1 minute here. UDL is 350 kilonewton per meter is the UDL. Yake? So, there is a couple of 1750 kilonewton meter. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. There is an anti-clockwise couple here of 1750, ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಬಿಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, kilonewton meter. Okay. Draw SFD&BMD. I will check the answer. See, equilibrium. Downward load 3500, upward load 350 into 10. Oh, tallied 3500. Moment of the upward load 350 into 10 into 5 is 17500 anti-clockwise. Moment of that upper system 2000 into 4 plus 1500 into 7.5, then minus 1750. Oh, that also 17500 clockwise. So equilibrium maintained. Now tell me, shall I give the answer? It will take me not more than 2 minutes, including point of contraction. Remember, it will not take for me, including the point of locating zero shear force and finding BM everywhere, and also finding that critical BM, and also if the contraction is there, locating contraction will not take more than 2 minutes for me. Shall I give the answer? Shall I give the answer? Okay, then answer I will give you SFD answer. What nobody? 1400 here, linear now. 600 here. It is 625 here. 625 here. It is 9875 here and back to 0. This distance from here to here is, I will put red color, 1.7143 meter. Saku. Up to 4 decimal. Now, bending moment diagram. 0. Here bending moment. Here plus 2800. Here bending moment that side is 1093. I want more space. Okay. Here how much I told? Oh, forgot. See, something I told. So fast forgotten. Okay, no problem. Scale illa, not to scale. Not 2.5. Okay, now here martoitu 1093.75 1093.75, then jump to plus 1750 2843, sudden jump to 2843.75, and here BM I told something. 2800 here, positive 2800 here. BM here is, illi BM bekundre 350 into 5.7143 square divided by 2 minus 2000 into 1.7143. Alli plus, illi bartodi, illi BM plus 2285.71. This is the bending moment diagram. Where shear was 0, BMD came positive. I will explain the practical importance tomorrow. Will do. But tomorrow you get the answer. Done now. By tomorrow you should get the answer. When I ask you tomorrow, did you get the answer? Then I will this question I will not tell. I will tell a general case, not this one. See, I will tell you, when you do practical design for combined putting, sometimes, see, 2 columns are here. When the columns are quite far off, then I will tell. Sometimes columns are quite nearby, then I will tell. The BMD will come, couple barabadi. BMD will come this way. Here, top heel, bottom heel, top heel. No, ulta. It is the tension side Allah. Bottom heel, top heel, bottom heel. Here, only bottom heel. Actually, in strength of materials, I need not tell. I can tell in RCC class, but still in the course, let me tell 5 minutes. Now, suppose by chance, if anything is wrong, let me know. If anything, roughly I drawn, not to scale. If anything is wrong, let me know. Done. I already saw. By the time you commented, we will do and upload, I already solved. See? Okay, now do one thing. You don't see this one. Don't see this one. You check, solve independently. In case some mistakes are there, I will correct it. I told, if I sit, even if, see, point of contraflexion comes, 2 points are required. If I am on a table with the pen and paper, I will take not more than 1.5 minutes to draw the diagram. Maybe 1 or 1.5 minutes. Not for UVL, trapezium Allah, for UDL. If it is UVL, it may take around 3 minutes for me. Around 3 minutes time, I can solve everything. I got tricks, or that is called pushing the bending on SF. You don't try those things. Okay, now solve this one. Because I told in the SFD&BMD course, SFD&BMD for combined putting, I will tell 10 minutes practical importance of these two questions. Then tomorrow only I will start a new chapter. Tell the new chapter, the most powerful chapter. Which one? Tomorrow I will start the new chapter. Maybe this will take maximum half an hour. Okay, I may tell some story for you about steel. Any idea next chapter? Bending stresses. Bending and shearing stresses. Bending and shearing stresses for the beam. Remember, so many people, more than 90% people does not know how actually is the bending stress, shear stress. I will ask you, is it this way, this way, this way? They will tell, sir, confusion. No. I have taken the class earlier. Even those who are in the PhD, I have seen them telling nonsense answers. Correct concept is there. See, when you design a structural member, bending stress is the most important. You should know how is the bending stress. See, very important. How is the bending stress for a beam? Is it this way? Is it this way? Or is it this way? Or some other way? You should know how is the bending stress first of all. How is the shear stress? And then, see, when shear comes, complementary shear comes. That all I won't discuss here. It comes in stress strain chapter. But bending stress, M by I equal to sigma by Y equal to E by R, and shear stress, tau equal to VA Y bar by IB. Two most powerful expressions. Okay, tomorrow you check and tell the answer. I will take a photo of this one now, so that I may give some other example, not this one. I will draw two BMDs here as a random example and explain to you. Okay. Still 5 minutes time is there. Okay, see you tomorrow then. And attend more in live, come more in live class. Bending test, see, when I ask question, how you get trapped, see there, you come live. Suppose somebody is watching this class, he thinks he is knowing too much. I will tell him, okay, if you think you know too much, come to live. If you do not want to show your identity, come with a fake ID, no problem. I will ask questions. Answer every question I ask you. If you answer all the questions I ask you, then I will come in search of you, personally meet you and reward you. I will give a good reward for you. All questions I ask, you should answer the question. Should not get trapped. Okay. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow then. Yes, perpendicular to cross section, your answer is correct. You do not know, so many are not knowing. With the regret tell, no idea. They do not, they will tell M by I, sigma by Y, linear variation, section modulus. Or if you ask them, what is moment of inertia, what is section modulus? See, I, that I by Y. What is the meaning? Meaning I don't know. See, meaning I don't know. Okay. I'll end the class now. Tomorrow I will continue.